Today we are outside reviewing an RV outdoor rug. Here is what comes in the package. Got my helper helping me today. You can see it comes in a nice nylon bag. You can see it's folded nice and neat. Out of the bag, brings stakes to stick it to the ground. It's a huge rug. You can see it's 19 feet by 9 feet. It's reversible. You can use it in the back side or the wide side. On a windy day, these stakes comes handy because it won't go flying away. You can use it for your picnics, for your deck, camping, your RV in the beach. You can take it with you to the beach, and UV resistant, so it's not gonna fade. So if you're looking for a huge rug to take with you to the beach or for your RV or motorhome that is reversible, great price, greatly made, here's the one.